everyone, I'm Waigo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so this is the September 2022 box. I may or may not have forgotten to cancel. I do a 1 year at a time. I need to go online and check. I thought I renewed in October, but possibly it's September. Ugh. If I got stuck with another year, although it has been better lately, and this box is very heavy, I don't know. Fingers crossed I can still cancel. And I want to cancel I have so many subscription boxes, and this one's more skincare heavy than makeup. It's not horrible. I mean, if it renewed again, I wouldn't be upset other than at myself for not following through with what I told myself I would do. So fingers crossed, I can still cancel. All right, now that I've talked about canceling, for those who are still interested, let me explain what the Allure Beauty Box is. It is $23 a month, and you get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size. The other 3 will be deluxe sample size or travel size. And the past 3 months, we have received 4 out of the 6 products were full size. Okay, I'm dying to see why this box is so heavy this month. It does come with a little pamphlet, which will have pricing for the full size items, and it will give a little bit of the editors, some of their comments on the product. All right, first item, what do we have here? This is from The Body Shop, and it's called Drops of Youth. Oh, if a bottle has something called Drops of Youth that can help this 55-year-old face, that would be amazing. What are you? All right, it's Youth Liquid Peel. Oh, it's an exfoliant. Pollution clearing. All right, so some kind of an exfoliator. I love using exfoliators, and they really do help to brighten the skin. I'm not sure if this is full size or not. Full size retails for $25, and this here is 100 ml. So this very well could be full size. All right, next item. What do we have here? Small box, quite lightweight. Ooh, it's from Laneige. I love products from Laneige. This is the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. All right, so this will be a sample. It's 10 ml. This is what she looks like. Does not come safety sealed, so let's give it a little test run. All right. Ooh, yes, it's the kind of moisturizer I like. It's like a gel cream. Ooh, it does have a scent that, don't make me describe. It's like floral with obnoxious sour something. I don't know. Although my allergies are kicking up. My nose is very stuffed, so, but not digging that. All right, at least it wasn't one of the full-size products that I'm not enjoying the scent of. All right, what else came in this box? What is this? Small box, but it has a little weight to it. All right, this is from French Girl, Flore Botanical Serum. I'm not familiar with the brand French Girl. Beautiful pink packaging. Whoa, the product is not pink. That is a very bright goldy yellow. Interesting. All right. Interesting because I don't know if you can see this. The little dropper doesn't go all the way to the bottom. So how are you going to get the product out once it gets down to like 1/3 or less in the bottle? Interesting. Let's see how much this bad boy costs. Holy cow. So this is full size and it retails for $72. For that price? You better be good. All right, let's do a little test of this. Just one little droplet. Now, this has happened to me a couple times where they call it a serum, but it's an oil. It's like a face oil. And that has the typical scent that I've experienced of face oils where it's not obnoxious, kind of earthy, kind of floral. It's probably just the scent of all the oils in there. But why do they call it a serum? Interesting. It's not tacky and not greasy, but I still feel a little bit of the product on my hands, if you know what I mean. I will give it a try because I now own it, and at $72, bougie, hopefully it does wonders to my skin. All right, next item. All right, we have another big, weighty product. This here is from a brand I'm not familiar with called VORE, and this is a Walk in the Sun. Still don't know what it is. What is that? Inside Out Moisturizing and Repairing Mask. Oh, so I'm going to assume something for the hair. Hold on, let me get my little friend here. All right, yes, it says intense repair for split ends, restore hair moisture, strengthen hair fibers for dry to extremely damaged hair. All right, well, luckily enough, my hair is not damaged, so I'm just going to set this aside for a future giveaway. That way somebody who really does use and need those products will put it to good use. I could use it, but what a waste. All right, next item. What is this? I see the word milk, but it says commodity milk. Okay, so at first I thought it was milk makeup, but apparently it is not. What is this? I do not know. Okay, it says Scent Space Expressive. What? So is this like a perfume? Oh, okay. Well, let's see if I'm going to regret putting it on me. What is the... Okay, there we go. Oh, I like that. Don't even ask me to describe that scent. Let's look at the card and hopefully it will have some notes. It's giving me a little bit of Japanese cherry blossom scent, but we know how bad I am at describing scent. So let's hope the card or booklet can explain it better than I just did. All right, so they say this is a warm fragrance which contains notes of marshmallow, tonka bean, and its namesake milk. Interesting. All right, so not Japanese cherry blossom. Wow, the full size, which is 100 ml, retails for $135. Dang, girl. This, I'm going to assume, is maybe a 10 ml sample, which is fantastic. And very interesting, because we normally don't get perfume samples in an Allure box. Digging it. All right, what else is in this box? Another new brand to me. This is from Rael Beauty, and it's a miracle patch. Invisible spot cover. Ideal for on-the-surface spots. All right, so how many do you get in here? Oh, okay, cool. So I'm going to assume this is full size. You get 24 patches. So these are good for if you get acne, throw it on. It helps reduce it, dry it up. And I've never used this brand before, but I have used another brand where makeup goes on over and you can easily hide the redness. So I love getting products like this. Knock on wood, I don't need to use them, but they're great to have in the event a little unwanted friend shows up. All right, and the last item, we have a little sample of something. This is from Savon, and it's a body scrub, and it's patchouli, lavender, vanilla. Ooh. I don't like lavender, but that's just me. All right, let's recap everything that came in the September 2022 Allure Beauty Box. Got a sample of a body scrub. We got some invisible cover spot acne patches. We got a sample moisturizer from Laneige, a moisturizing and repairing hair mask from VORE, a perfume sample from Commodity Milk, an exfoliator from The Body Shop, and a botanical serum from The French Girl. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I better run to my computer to see if it's okay for me to still cancel. This is the worst box in quite a while. At worst, meaning that there was zero makeup. It was all skincare, with the exception of this perfume sample. This I'm the most excited about. The rest of the products, I'm not a big user of hair masks. Little sample body scrub. These are okay. I just don't use them very often. Thank goodness. A bougie serum, which I will use. Hopefully it does wonders to my skin. I love to exfoliate, so this one's okay. I get cleansers and exfoliators quite often. I was excited to see something from Laneige until I smelled the product. Ooh, not my jam. But let me know your thoughts on this box. Do you think it was worth $23? I definitely think you get a great value for $23. In fact, I'm going to list the MSRP total value of the box. I'm going to assume, because there's one product that's $72, that it was worth at least $125, probably closer to $150. It's just that the products in this month's box aren't really exciting to me personally. But let me know your thoughts. Would you have been glad to receive this box? Do you enjoy this box? Are you like, yes, girl, run to your computer, please cancel. I love supporting you, but I'm tired of watching Allure unboxings. I would totally understand if that was the case. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you can do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.